Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Funimation premium subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions based on where you subscribed. Step 1. Determine how you subscribed to Funimation. You may have subscribed through the Funimation website, iOS App Store, Google Play Store, or another platform. Step 2. For website subscriptions, log in to your Funimation account on a web browser using your email and password. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Account or Subscription from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the subscription details or billing section where you can view your current plan, billing date, and payment method. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Subscription button or link. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Funimation may ask you to provide a reason for cancelling. Select an appropriate option or provide feedback about your experience. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms. You'll typically retain premium access until the end of your current billing period, after which your account reverts to free. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation by clicking the Final Confirmation button. Make sure you complete all steps to ensure the cancellation is processed. Step 9. For iOS subscriptions, open Settings on your device, tap your name, select Subscriptions, find Funimation, and tap Cancel Subscription. Step 10. For Android subscriptions, open Google Play Store, tap your profile, select Payments and Subscriptions, tap Subscriptions, find Funimation, and cancel. Check your email for confirmation of the cancellation, and save it for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.